Alright, so let's get straight into it. If I told you that people are making thousands of dollars online using just their laptop and free tools, would you believe me? We're talking about tangible, achievable results that ordinary folks, maybe even your neighbors, are quietly cashing in on. The digital landscape has completely leveled the playing field, opening up avenues for income that simply didn't exist a decade ago. What if I showed you exactly how they do it, and how you can start today with zero coding or business experience? The tools are simpler, the access is wider, and the opportunities are ripe for the picking. We're going to break down the actual strategies step by step, so you can see for yourself how this isn't some exclusive club. Stay till the end because I'm saving the most powerful method for last. This isn't about quick cash grabs that fizzle out, it's about building something real. We're about to unlock some serious potential, and it all starts now. Let's start simple freelancing. We're talking about a new era of freelancing, supercharged by tech skills that are in ridiculously high demand. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are absolute gold mines if you know what to offer. Businesses big and small are constantly outsourcing tasks. They need people who can navigate the digital world, and that's where you come in. The beauty of this is the sheer variety of skills you can monetize. Consider video editing, a skill that's exploding thanks to social media and online content. Or how about AI prompt writing? Yes, that's a real thing. Even ChatGPT content creation is a service people are actively seeking. You can learn these skills, often for free, on platforms like YouTube. Your iPad 9th Gen is perfect for this. Watch tutorials, practice, and build your portfolio. The barrier to entry has never been lower. With a reliable internet connection and a device like the iPad 9th Gen, you can begin building your freelance empire from your couch. Don't overthink it, just start. Next up, digital products. This is where things start to get really interesting from a passive income perspective. You create something valuable once, and then you can sell it over and over again. Think about the leverage in that. So, what kind of digital products are we talking about? The possibilities are vast. Templates are a huge one. Think social media templates for Canva, spreadsheet templates for Google Sheets or Excel, or even website templates. Ebooks are another classic, and with self-publishing platforms it's easier than ever to get your words out there. Notion dashboards are incredibly popular right now. Tools like Canva, Gumroad, and Etsy make the creation and selling process insanely easy. Imagine waking up to sales notifications on your phone or iPad, money you earned while you were sleeping. The initial effort involves identifying a need or a problem your target audience has, and then creating a digital solution for it. This model allows you to scale in a way that freelancing, on its own, often doesn't. This is how you build true leverage in your online income endeavors. Chapter 3, AI, your secret weapon for rapid income generation. If you're not paying attention to AI right now, you are seriously missing out on one of the biggest technological shifts of our lifetime. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DID are revolutionizing how we create. ChatGPT can write articles, scripts, marketing copy, code, and so much more. Midjourney can generate breathtaking images and artwork from simple text descriptions. DID can take a still image and a script and create a talking avatar video. People are building entire businesses with AI, and they're doing it with incredible speed. This isn't about AI replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. Chapter 4, the ultimate stack, combining all three for explosive growth. This isn't about picking one path, it's about creating a powerful synergy between freelancing, digital products, and AI. This is the stack that can truly accelerate your journey. Here's how it works. You start with AI to generate ideas and assets. Let's say you want to create a digital product. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm niches, outline content, and even write initial drafts. You can use Midjourney to create unique graphics or illustrations for this product. AI becomes your super efficient research assistant and creative partner. Next, you package these AI-assisted creations as digital products. That ebook outlined by ChatGPT and illustrated with Midjourney, you polish it, add your unique insights, design a cover, and then list it on Gumroad or Etsy, or maybe you use AI to help create a set of specialized templates. Then here's the crucial link. You freelance or automate the selling. You could use your freelancing skills to offer services that complement your digital products. For example, if you sell Notion templates, you could offer a freelance service to customize those templates for clients. Or, you could use your AI-enhanced content creation skills to market your digital products more effectively. By using AI, you reduce the time and effort needed for creation. By packaging these into digital products, you create assets that can generate income passively. This isn't some far-off dream, it's a practical blueprint for building a modern tech-enabled income. So, there you have it. We've walked through freelancing with in-demand tech skills, the power of creating and selling digital products, the incredible leverage AI offers, and finally, the ultimate strategy of stacking all three. Your iPad 9th Gen or whatever device you have can be your launchpad into this new world of income generation. The key is to stop just consuming information and start taking action. Pick one thing from today's video. Maybe it's learning a new skill for freelancing, brainstorming your first digital product, or experimenting with an AI tool. Don't let the what-ifs or the fear of the unknown hold you back. You have the blueprint. Now it's up to you to build. Let's do this.